This video may include mention of a candle business which I co-own. I also may show products that have been gifted to me but I'm not being paid to promote. Finally, I may share links to products which will earn me money if you shop through them. This is all classed as advertising. If I do also include a paid segment, I will tell you in the video and place a disclaimer on the screen. Good morning. I got up early to film some stuff, as I said I was going to do last night, which is crazy. Oh, you can still hear like the leftovers of the mic because, oh my god, there's too many wires. I moved things around recently and I've not sorted out the wire situation since. What? How can this be so tangled? I'm trying to put my headphones back into the computer so you don't. But my switch also wants to slide off the side at the same time. What you're seeing here is a woman grappling with life. So as I was saying, I got up early to film some bits and edit some bits. Got the vlog done. And now I'm going to film the end of my gaming video from yesterday. I've been recording gameplay of this game called Wildflowers. Even if you're not interested in the actual game, it's a really cute game where you like go back to live with your grandma and help with the farm, but it turns out she's a witch and like you become a witch. It's this whole thing. But all of it's just so chill. It's like, it's almost like a story. And there's lots of cutscenes and everything is voice acted and it is so chill. I was saying in the recording of it yesterday, every time I play that game, it makes me want to go to sleep, and I think it's because it feels like a story. Anyway, I'm going to finish that now and edit it before I start work. Milo's got a friend over today, which will be good for him because it, like, you know, otherwise he comes to see me like every 30 minutes minimum, which is fine, but I am working. So he's got a little friend to keep him company today. I can't get enough energy, so I'm doing energy drink and Pro Plus, which FYI, did you know, you need to be 18 to buy Pro Plus? I didn't know. But I am over 18, so I'll do what I want. It's already lunchtime, so I thought I would share the frozen pancakes. Milo has a friend around today and they both wanted Nutella, so I made them kind of like Nutella sandwiches, but with pancakes. Delicious. Also, I'm wearing my new Valentine's jumper. Do you love it? I actually quite like it, you know. I mean, obviously, I was gonna like it, but come on, focus. Focus on my face, thanks so much. Yeah, I love it, and it just kind of, it's the perfect. I've always got my fly down. No. Perfect kind of height, length, whatever. Love it. And I mean, while I'm there, I'll make a couple of pancakes for me. Same as yesterday. This is my favorite. Just a little bit of ice cream, because I don't like cream, but I feel like this needs a little bit of something. And this is the pancake syrup that I bought. It's really nice, and it comes in such a cute little bottle. This is so weird, okay. I was just sitting down to film an unboxing because I thought what had arrived was something I've been waiting for, and I was gonna do like an actual standalone unboxing video. What's actually arrived is a bunch of stuff from Primark, which they did actually ask me if I wanted to receive some stuff, and I thought it sounded interesting. I just completely forgot about it, and it's come from the same company, same couriers. So let me show you what they sent me. First of all, a wellness journal, which this is kind of spooky because if you follow my weekly wins post on my blog, I have been talking about how one of the things that I wanted to do for the new year was track my, what's the word I'm looking for? Mood. I want to track my mood. I want to just kind of like see where I'm at. Mostly so that like in a month's time, if I feel a certain kind of way, you know, like if you have like a really tired week, I can go back and be like, what was I feeling like last week? I have downloaded apps in the past, but they're usually period related and they don't feel fit for purpose unless you want to pay for something, which you don't. Anyway, I've been meaning to do this for ages and I haven't. And if I'd received this at pretty much any other time, it would have gone on a shelf and not been used. But this is super interesting. It's got all this stuff about natural energy flow, morning, evening, daily intentions, energy levels today, sleep. This could really be the thing that like kickstarts me actually doing that like a kind of like a wellness journaling is what I wanted to do. I'm just having a little flip through this. It's set out in just such a perfect way, and it's got like a week 1, week 2, week 3, weekly check-ins, thoughts and feelings, which is kind of what I'm trying to do with that blog post every week. Really weird. Anyway, I think I'm getting an idea of what the vibe of this whole package is. The only thing that is kind of not fitting with this is this face serum. So it all seems to be about like smoothing and shaving related. So there's an ingrown hair exfoliating body serum. Very, very interesting. I've only ever had one ingrown hair in my life. It was like right at the top of my thigh, and there's a scar there. And what is really weird is I never think of it. Never. And yesterday I was dry brushing. I dry brush before I get in the bath, mostly because I'm so itchy. It's not really like, I'm not doing it for any kind of visual benefits. It's just because I'm so itchy. So I was dry brushing, and it helps with like to get a smoother shave before I got in the bath. And I just thought, God, I wish I'd done this. I wish I'd been doing this when I went through that ingrown hair phase, because maybe I wouldn't have this scar. I never think of it, and I thought of it yesterday. So it's really weird this stuff arrived. Super strange. So that serum stuff is, or not a serum. It is calling, yeah, it is a serum, but it's like a liquid. I think it's basically going to be like glycolic acid, isn't it? Yeah, pretty much. This is the thing that's confusing me slightly. Just Peachy Face Serum. It just says to brighten and smooth, vitamin C and niacinamide. It's in a cute little bottle, look. It's cute. It's supposed to, I think, look like that. Is it Jizu? I'll be butchering that. But you know what I'm talking about, that like cute face oil that everyone's got. Then there's this post-shave serum, which just says post-shave serum. And then on the back, it says post-shave body serum. I'm going to try this on my face because it's not a secret. I alternate between shaving, plucking, all of this area of my face, dependent on how breakouty I am at the time. I've got a little spot patch on me right now for this reason, because I do get a lot of facial hair, like proper actual stubbly facial hair. Really annoying, but I'm going to give this a go. At the moment I use an antiseptic when I've done whatever. I try not to put any kind of skincare on immediately after anything, even plucking, nothing. So I'm going to try this instead of that, and I will let you know. And then lastly, the anti-chafe body balm, which is very interesting. I have something that does something similar that I bought. I can't remember what it's called, but I bought it when we were on holiday. I don't want to, I literally just done my nails. I'm not going to do this now. No. Because I'm going to have to peel this off, and I can't use my teeth on camera. Jeez, why does everything have to be so well sealed? Right, this is what the balm looks like. So it's like a deodorant stick. Ooh, okay. We'll see, we'll see. That smells so nice. That smells like Maybelline Water Shine lipsticks, do you remember? Watermelon. That smells really delicious. That's going to be really, really nice for the summertime. I have like a tube of something similar that I bought when we were on holiday somewhere warm once. Let me just see what this says. Nothing specific. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Meet Primark Beauty's latest collection of skincare and body care, designed to tackle taboos and help with your everyday beauty needs. Yeah, I still feel like that one is like the odd man out. This serum, because it's just a face serum. I don't think that's a taboo. I do kind of want to see this though. Now I've seen a picture of it, because again, why does it have to be in such specifically annoying packaging? I don't know. It's a spray. How many years have I been telling you? Have I got one in here? No, I've got something else, but I've got, I think, the glycolic one I must have next to my bed. I have had glycolic acid in a spray bottle like this for years. I've got a big bottle of it, and I've got a little one as well. I just put whatever glycolic acid I'm using, I put it in one of these spray bottles, and I spritz it on my face, on my chest, my arms, my back, wherever I want to put it, because it's so much easier than using a, you know, cotton pad. Plus, you know, less wasteful with the cotton pads and all. So this is basically exactly that. Exfoliating body serum, but it's totally liquidy. This is, I bet it smells like, ooh, I take it all back. Oh my God, that smells amazing. That smells like maybe juicy fruit. Oh my God, that smells edible. Oh, wow. Okay, no, I take that all back. How much is this? How much is this? What was the packaging? £4. I mean, that's not a lot of product. That's 100 ml. Let's say that it is glycolic acid. Let me just have a look here. It is marginally cheaper than the ordinary one. The ordinary one is like literally a penny per mil cheaper than the ordinary one, because the ordinary one is £11.50 for 240 ml. So, to be fair, I mean, that's at full price. There's loads of offers that make it cheaper. But to be fair, if this is good, which I'll try it, I would give this the edge just because it smells flipping delicious. I need to know what the other stuff smells like now. This I'm going to try today, this post-shave serum. Oh, that smells like watermelon as well. Mmm! Positively edible. And then this one smells like peach. This stuff smells really good. Like, really, really delicious. So it says whether it's ingrown hairs, fuzzy legs, back spots, foot odor. Foot odor? Foot odor? Maybe we're missing something. Primark's latest target and ingredient-led collection is here to break these beauty taboos. I am all about it. And I really, really like Primark skincare. Ella is really funny about skincare because she's had acne and like pretty bad breakouts and stuff for a long time. She had like perfect skin and then high school immediate acne. So she has a real specific routine and she doesn't like to try new things, but she even has come around to Primark skincare. I can't remember what they're called, but you know, like their serums and stuff, really nice, and I really like their face mask. I've actually decided to, oh, do you know what? I'm gonna test out because I've noticed, you know, like, ooh, there's very little smoothing with this camera. I'm gonna just change the settings a little bit so that I can see when I'm editing whether or not this improves anything. I've just realized that my bigger camera, the lens has image stabilization and it fits on this camera. So that could be perfect, but it is a larger size. Okay, you're being my guinea pigs. It's a fun process, but I'm not sure. Settings are TBD. Anyway, what I was going to say was I am going to end the vlog here because it's Valentine's Day today, so I don't want to be having to edit the vlog this evening and I don't want to get up early tomorrow. So I'm going to just kind of continue on. If anything interesting happens, I'll just tag it on to tomorrow's. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you then. Bye.